Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica. Before I get started, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Today's video is going to be a heatless curl tutorial, I guess, but also it's my first time trying these rollers, so I guess it's kind of like a review to see how well they work. I saw a combination of both bad reviews and good reviews for these rollers, so it's these ones right here, the Sleep Styler. I got them on Amazon. It comes with 8 and I did get the large just because I do have a lot of hair and I have very long hair. So I want to try them out. I only got 8, so I'm hoping that I'll be able to do all of my hair, but I do like more of a wavy look. So we're gonna see how well they work. So I just want to read a little thing right here. So it says that they recommend that your hair be 80% dry. My hair is already dry because I did take a shower this morning, but I'm going to be applying a little bit of this like leave-in conditioner. And then it says you don't have to sleep with them overnight, but you just have to wait until your hair is completely dry. I am going to sleep with them overnight and see how that goes. And then in the morning, I will show you guys, you know, like how my hair turned out. So let's go ahead and get started. This is, I guess, I don't know, I get lazy sometimes, especially with like the hot weather coming up. You know, like you're trying to do your hair and it just gets so freaking hot. Like you're sweating, your face is sweating, your makeup is falling out, like melting off. Let's see. Oh, don't look at my armpits, I haven't shaved. Okay. How should I do this? So yeah, like I said, there's only 8 in there. But since I do have my hair dyed, I also want to minimize, you know, damage to my hair. That's why I wanted to try these out. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply. And I'm gonna put also a little bit of this sexy hair. I know it is like a heat protector, but it's really the only thing that I have right now. So that it doesn't get too frizzy, because my hair tends to get frizzy. So let me just add a little bit of water, not too much. You don't want it to be too wet. My hair also takes a really long time to dry. That's why I didn't want to do my hair damp. So let's just do one section at a time. So this is what it looks like. It has this little thing. So let's see. I think this will be the easiest way. You just kind of wrap it around like this, I'm guessing. And let me see. I'm gonna try to wrap it this way because this is the way that my hair is going. Oh shit. Okay. Oh, okay. That's not too bad. I'm gonna leave these on overnight. So I know some of the reviews said that some people they didn't like sleeping with them because they were uncomfortable, but you know what, like my mom says, la belleza cuesta, so sometimes you just gotta suffer a little bit. Okay guys, I will see you guys in the morning and see how this turned out. All right everyone, welcome back. It's the next day. I don't really have any complaints. This is what my hair looks like. Obviously I took a shower, got ready. The only thing was that it was kind of hard. It was kind of hard to sleep in them. So what I did is like I kind of like try to sleep on it like this instead of actually sleeping on them. So it was kind of uncomfortable, but I mean, what can you do? So I'm gonna take them off, and I'm really nervous because I really hope that this worked. If not, I'm gonna be sad. Okay, let's take it out. Okay, hold on, let me see. Oh great, okay. So this is kind of what the curl, this bottom one looks like, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, let me just take them all off and I mean, there's probably like a little few hairs. Wait. No. What? Okay, I mean, this one is not that great, but the ones on top are pretty fabulous. So I guess you could say this was good. If you have long hair, obviously like me, it's gonna work better. If you have shorter hair, I would suggest maybe getting the smaller ones. I mean, okay, I think it's fine. Alright then everyone, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you use other curlers that work just as good, let me know down below in the comment section. I would love to check them out too. I will link these also down below. I think I already said that already. In case any of you guys are interested in buying them, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and thank you guys again for watching.